Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a home equity line with Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy a home equity line with Wells Fargo, begin by researching the product. Gather essential information about home equity lines of credit. Determine the equity available in your home by calculating your current mortgage balance. Next, assess your credit score to understand your eligibility. Visit the Wells Fargo website to explore their home equity line options. Locate the home equity section and review the features and benefits. Prepare necessary documents, including proof of income and property ownership. You will also need your current mortgage statements and tax returns. Fill out the online application for the home equity line of credit. Ensure all information is accurate and complete to avoid delays. Submit the application through Wells Fargo's secure portal. After submission, await the loan officer's review of your application. Once approved, Wells Fargo will provide you with a closing disclosure. Review this document carefully, ensuring all terms meet your expectations. After you're satisfied, schedule a closing appointment with Wells Fargo. During the closing, sign all required documents. Once signed, your funds will be available for use as per your agreement. Access your line of credit via Wells Fargo's online banking platform. Regularly monitor your balance and make payments to maintain your credit line. Utilize your home equity line responsibly to avoid potential financial pitfalls. Remember to consult a financial advisor if you have any questions regarding your decision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.